Hi friends, welcome to Edible Vibes. This year we might have been out of commission, but summer was not. Summer has arrived and with it has brought the mango season. Every year we love to make some mango based deliciousness. Last year we made some mango rasmalai to beat the summer heat. If you haven't seen the recipe, we shall put the link in the description box below. This year, we are bringing you our very own Indian ice cream, the Mango Kulfi. So, let's begin. In a tall blender jar, take 1.5 cups of ripe diced mangoes of your choice. Here, we have used Banganapalli. To this, add half a cup of chilled milk and blend it till it forms a smooth puree. Add half cup condensed milk. Then add 1 teaspoon of elaichi powder. We love elaichi flavor, so we have added 1 teaspoon. But if you are not that fond of it, you can reduce it to 3/4 teaspoon. Then add 1/4 cup of roughly chopped almonds and pistachios. Next, we are going to add 1/4 teaspoon of saffron paste. Saffron paste is readily available in India, but if you don't have it, don't worry. Dissolve a pinch of saffron into 2 tablespoons of warm milk and add it to the mixture. Finally, add 1 cup of heavy cream and blend it till it's nice and smooth. This will be a thick mixture. Pour this mixture into your kulfi molds. Then tap the molds against the table to release any trapped air bubbles. Top each kulfi with some of the chopped pistachio and almond mix. Now wrap the top of each mold with a plastic wrap. Then take some ice cream sticks or skewers and poke it through the center of each of the mold. The plastic wrap will hold the skewer in place. If you are using an ice cream mold, avoid the plastic wrap and just place your ice cream mold cap into the kulfi and let it set for a minimum of 6 to 8 hours. When you're ready to have your kulfi, just take one mold, dip it almost all the way into a glass of hot water for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then gently pull at the ice cream stick and your delicious kulfi will pop out with ease. Enjoy this delicious treat nice and chilled. You will find yourself making this frequently this season. I hope you liked this recipe. Like, share and subscribe for more content from us. Stay home, stay safe and stay healthy. Until next time, happy cooking.